Draw a long horse head and neck from the side. Add 2 pointy ears on top. Draw the flowing mane down the neck. Add 1 big eye and a nostril. Add a smiley mouth and a forelock. Now color the horse in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!